So, dear students, today we will discuss artificial intelligence in healthcare. Okay, so now since we have already studied 4 units, and this unit is about how AI is helping in other fields. So, first field which I'm going to discuss today is artificial intelligence in healthcare. Okay, so the link which you can see on your screen, I will share that link to you also. So role of AI in healthcare. Okay, so what healthcare means what AI can do for healthcare. Okay, like it can help in detection of diseases like cancer, or it can help detection of diseases which are chronic in nature. Okay, so what AI can do it efficiently, and we can parallelize the things. Means suddenly I cannot make 100 doctors, but I can easily make 100 machines which are capable of helping in detection of diseases. Okay, so now let us discuss what are certain means what are certain points on which AI is going to help you. Okay, first one is accurate cancer diagnosis. Okay, so AI can learn from various tests which are done for cancer, and it can do accurate diagnosis. Okay, plus since it is a machine, it can be transported to any place where even doctor doesn't want to go. Early diagnosis of fatal blood diseases, this is again similar to that. So then third, customer service chatbots, means it can talk to patients and reply in the way as doctors reply. Okay, it can act as virtual health assistants, means nowadays you might have seen that people wear these devices in the form of watch which monitor certain heartbeat and other things. And now this data can be fed to virtual means fed to AI, and AI can act as virtual health assistants, means they can recommend you what to do and what not to do based on whatever readings they are getting real time on your devices. So list is large. So now treatment of rare diseases, targeted treatment, automation of redundant healthcare tasks, management of medical records, reduction of dosage errors. This is also one of the important areas where a human is required to monitor for doses of patients, because patients can make mistakes in taking their doses, and it can be fatal sometimes. So now robot assisted surgery, means robot can assist you in surgery. Okay, and it has been seen that several hospitals are now implementing robotics machines which are assisting in the surgery, because robot can do the tasks with required precision and flexibility. Okay, so that is all which I wanted to discuss. I am going to share this link to you, and now I have given some certain questions also. So what you have to do, on the basis, go through this link, read, understand, and answer this question, which is important. So first question is, what is role of AI in healthcare? So it is already written on the link which I have shared. List 5 ways in which AI is helping healthcare. I have already discussed in the video. There are more than five, means 8 9 ways are given. And last is, what is pros and cons of using AI in healthcare. Okay, this is also given in the link. Okay, in the last you can see it is given. So I will just discuss one advantage and one disadvantage. Okay, one process, improved diagnosis, and con is complications in learning AI. Okay, and difficult change to adapt to. Okay, so what go through this link and answer the questions. So that is all for today. Thank you.